What's up technical people, this is Muhammad Ammar. In this video, I'll show you the steps to create a fully functional Microsoft 365 tenant for free. This free tenant will have all the Office 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, PowerApps, Power Automate, Power BI, Outlook for emails, Teams for communication, and OneDrive for personal data storage. All these applications at no cost. You can create this tenant for learning purpose. So let's create a brand new Microsoft 365 tenant. Search on Google Microsoft 365 Developer Program. Click on the first link, that is developer.microsoft.com. I have mentioned the link in the description so you can directly browse the site. Click on Join Now button. Sign in with your Gmail or any other personal account. Please note, if it's the first time you are registering to any Microsoft service, you may see this message. We couldn't find an account with that username. So first, register your account with Microsoft. Click on the link Get a new Microsoft account. Click Next. Choose a password. It's not the same password as your Gmail or personal account, so I'd suggest you to choose a different password for Microsoft services. Verify the email ID with the verification sent to your email. You may be asked to solve a CAPTCHA or a puzzle. Now you are registered with Microsoft. Please note, if you face the error missing some information, then follow these instructions. Now the tenant creation process begins. On this page, provide the requested details such as country, company, and language. Choose the relevant options in the subsequent questions. It asks you to choose from the two options. I'd suggest you to go with the Instant Sandbox option, as you will get some sample data and some dummy users created by default. And the creation of this type of tenant is very fast. The only downside is you get a random domain name. The configurable sandbox can take up to 2 days to provision. It's without sample data, but the good thing with the configurable sandbox is you can choose your own domain name. Since we are creating the tenant for learning purpose, let's go ahead with the instant option. Click Next at the bottom. On the next page, choose the country of data center, whichever is closer to your location. Choose an admin username of your choice and set a password. Make sure you save these credentials as you will need to sign in with this account. You can optionally set the password for the dummy users. Click on Continue. Provide a phone number and verify it. Your tenant is ready. However, sometimes this page takes longer than expected. So don't close this tab. Copy the link of the current page. Open a new tab. Now paste the copied link here and hit Enter. This is your domain name, or simply your tenant. And this is the email ID of your admin account that you would need in the next login step. Open a new tab and access your new tenant by browsing the site office.com. Click on the Sign In button and provide your admin credentials that you set up in the step 6. Please make sure you're logged in with the admin account and not with your personal account. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner and verify that you're logged in with the tenant account. You can access all Microsoft 365 applications by clicking on this app launcher icon. If any app is missing, simply click on Explore all your apps. Then click on All apps. And you'll see everything available, fully functional, free of cost. You can create SharePoint sites, develop PowerApps and Power Automate flows, and much more. If you want to learn anything specifically, please comment below. Please like and share the video, and if you're new, please subscribe to Technically Yours and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with more informative videos.